So I'm changing the hydraulic pump motor. I've got a spare one right here. Off to this side, you undo these two screws to get the motor off of the pump. This is the pump, this is the motor. There's 3 screws that holds the motor in place. 1, 2, 3. They say you have to check if the pump is spinning freely. I don't know what freely means, but I mean I can rotate it so it's not stuck, but it's a little bit sturdy, not gonna lie. Anyways, they say it's quite rare that it fails, so I'm just gonna roll with it, install the new pump, the new motor, and go from there. Yeah. Old motor versus new motor. You have to reuse the foam piece, this little rubber connector, forgot the English word, this little plate that goes in between. To get the wiring out, I had to undo this screw as well. These are just brackets to hold the harnesses in and like to hold that one in. And there's another additional cover plate. Slides on like this, and you see that's it. Undo 2 mounting screws, and it comes out of this connector, slides right out. You can bend it a little bit to make it easier, slide out. So yeah, that's this hole and this hole. You want to slide this connector backwards off the connector that's attached to the motor, because the plastic connector of the motor is actually fixed to this one. Once they're disconnected, you can slide it off. I actually don't remember which way. Did it come this way or that way? But yeah, it slides off of this mounting piece. So now I'm gonna mount the new motor. I'm also replacing the hydraulic fluid. This is gonna be my tool to pump it in. I'm using LDAS because I'm in Australia, and the actually recommended CHF 11S fluid is hard to come by. You have to order it online. I have some coming, but I couldn't wait, so I'm just using this LDAS, which, as you can see on the bottle, it says also suitable for the CHF 11S. And I've talked to some people in forums who used this in the past, and they didn't have any issues with it, so I'm feeling hopeful. So I am draining the fluid right now, cleaning the plugs, cleaning the washers, and from what I've been told, there's supposed to be around 500 milliliters in it. It's been draining for a minute now, and it's quite hot, and I only get 300. So I hope that's also going to resolve my shifting issues, because I did see before that little pan, this little gray pan, was oily. I think the leak, like this tube, is starting to get greasy below this point, so I don't really know which seal is failing, but I'm not gonna look too much for that one right now. I'm just gonna top it up and keep an eye on it. Just top it up every now and then, I guess. So for draining, it's pretty straightforward. It says drain, get out this block. There's a check one. There's some good graphics available. Maybe I can put it in the video. And then to fill it, you use this one. Plug that one again, and then fill it up here until it comes out of the check, or the control at least. Then you know it should be around half a liter. So let's try that. Um, so yeah, it did take 500 milliliters of LDAS, which I'm very happy about. Makes sense. This pump worked excellent. I had to trim the nozzle a little bit and just chop it in, but it worked. Yeah, some spoil, but everything looks lovely. Let's hope it worked.